case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, a legal battle ensued between Constance Gavcus and members of the Potts family. Gavcus sued the Potts family for trespassing and unlawfully removing silver coins from her home. The coins, valued at over $150,000, were eventually returned, and a legal case started to determine ownership. Initially, the jury awarded Gavcus damages for the cost of new locks, attorney's fees from a prior case, and punitive damages. However, the district court only granted her $1 in nominal damages, which prompted Gavcus to appeal the decision. Upon appeal, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit ultimately rejected Gavcus's claim, ruling that she could not recover damages for emotional distress, the cost of locks, attorney's fees, or punitive damages. The court found that Gavcus failed to meet the necessary legal requirements for each type of damages. As a result, the court upheld the district court's initial decision and sent the case back to the lower court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.